Hello, what's good, everyone? Your daily commodity calls by the Vela Academy. Alright, guys, just to update you guys, our previous setup that we have released on the 20th of May 2026, 6:18 p.m. GMT plus 8. So, we did mention that if the price gets to hold at either one of these roadblocks or to sell, we can expect for the price to drop the prices all the way down to 443676, all the way to 4228.58. And true enough, the price tapped onto our reversal prices at 4396.98. The price then gave us a reversal momentum confirmation. The price then flew up for about 1,474 pips in total, guys. So I'm not sure if there's any one of you guys took our analysis seriously, and if there's any one of you guys participated to our Hari Raya Haji, I would like to wish you all congratulations and Selamat Hari Raya Aidil Adha to every Muslims out there. So before we get into our today's analysis, I would like to explain to you guys on what actually happened throughout the weekend. So as you guys can see, we could see that the price literally dropped and pushed a couple of times to the downside. So I would like you guys to understand on what actually happened. Okay, so based on the candles that we have on the left side and on the right side right here. So this is basically a fundamental tool that I use in order for me to explain better to the client, and also in order for me to understand better on what is going on in the market. So if you guys take a look at it, the price did drop from here, right? So this was our recent setup for buys. So we were expecting for the price to push all the way up from this particular point. However, we could see that the price literally dropped in a sideways motion. So here, if you take a look at the candle itself, you could see that there were no clear macro or headline catalysts, typical clean liquidity evening gold trade. So basically, gold moved up and down without any major news. The market was quiet with low trading activity, so even small buy and sell orders could move the price around. This was more of a liquidity-driven move rather than a fundamental move. So no major news, just low liquidity causing random price fluctuation. And if we take a look on the second drop, you can see this drop right here, right? So if you tap onto the second drop, if you take a look on the second drop, you could see that the market risk on shift and dollar strength, no direct high impact gold specific headline. So what does this mean? The market became slightly risk on and the US dollar strengthened. So as you all know, if it's on a risk on environment, automatically every single investment will be pushed towards the stock market and US bond. So gold moves opposite to the dollar most of the time, right? So gold dropped quickly as traders took advantage of thin liquidity to trigger stop losses before price stabilized. So stronger USD plus risk on sentiment caused a quick stop hunt sell-off in gold. So this is very, very normal, guys. All right, this is very normal. This is what we call as manipulation or liquidity sweep. Now, the third scenario that I want you all to focus is this drop right here. Okay, if you guys take a look on that drop right there, and if you refer it to our fundamental website, we could clearly see that earlier gold was supported by Iran and Hormuz tensions, right? But when traders realized that there was no new escalation and the Fed remained focused on inflation, money flowed back into USD. This caused gold to reverse and sell off sharply. So safe haven buying faded while stronger USD took control and pushing the gold lower. So that's what happened when the price drops for the last time all the way to our reversal prices at 4396.98. Let's check out what we can do for today. Let's go. Alright, guys, so this is what we can get from the current price action. So if you guys take a look at it based on the daily time frame, you could see that the price is currently respecting the middle channeling trend line. So when the price is respecting the mid channeling trend trend line, we can expect for the price to continue lower. However, before we assume that the price might continue lower, we could see that there is a possible scalp setup from the current bullish reversal candle, and if the price drops lower, we can expect for the price to continue its motion based on the current L wave counting. So based on the current L wave counting, we could expect for the price to complete its wave 1 on the current structure, and we can expect for the price to drop down for its second wave, which we normally call as a correction wave. So the correction wave are expected to happen on either 4 places. The first scenario of the reversal, we could expect for the price to drop down into this RBS zone that we have in between 4480 to 4468. We can expect for the price to drop, give us a little bit of a reversal confirmation, and for the price to continue higher. So this is the first scenario. The second scenario is we can expect for the price to reverse at either one of our RBS zone located on the previous structure. Obviously, based on the candlestick pattern, the best for us to participate the potential bullish reversal opportunity would be on the demand zone, guys. All right, let's take a look on today's possibility and see if we have the potential to swing this position for another bullish run. Because, guys, if this bullish run really takes place, we could expect for the price to really continue its bullish movement. Because for H4 time frame, we are expecting for wave 2 has been completed. So right now, it is the first motive move for the H4 time frame. And if that really happens, guys, we could see daily piercing through the previous and previous high. So guys, do not miss this setup and do not miss this opportunity. We'll update you guys if there is any other new opportunity available in the market. Alright guys, so y'all take care, y'all trade safe. Assalamualaikum.